Today, we're making the ultimate comfort food, lasagna. Cheesy, saucy, meaty, and guaranteed to make you smile. First things first, add salt and boil that water and season the meat. Just a little salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. I know, some of you are already yelling at me for not dumping the whole spice cabinet in here. But hey, when you got good quality meat, it speaks for itself. Noodles go in for a swim while the meat sizzles away, multitasking at its finest. Now, we play Tetris with food. Sauce, noodle, ricotta, meat, mozzarella, and repeat. Boom, lasagna unlocked. Wrap it up like leftovers you'll never eat and toss it in the oven 30 minutes at 375. Patience, my friend, patience. Take the blanket off, let it breathe. Another 15 minutes because good things take time, unlike my last relationship. And because we love drama, we roll the top just a little. Golden, bubbly, perfection. Ladies and gentlemen, the reason gym memberships exist. Lasagna dreams do come true. Lasagna with rice, Dominican edition unlocked. Italians are crying right now, but guess what? We're eating good. Proof it was good? That plate didn't stand a chance. Alright, if you watched this whole lasagna masterpiece and didn't drool at least once, you're lying. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and follow because I'm not done feeding the internet yet.